Hello there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about accessing the Exchange control panel through client computer. So as mentioned that it's the control panel is a web-based interface, and through web browsers we able to configure the Exchange control panel, and in reality we configure or we access from web browser only. So what we give the URL https colon exchange server 1. This is my exchange server name is .techengineertv.in is the domain, then slash ECP exchange control panel. When we click on it, it will give you the error, and the error is for the certification. Remember in the last video we find it out about the TLS, that you need a certification from the trusted CA, and if we have that then we don't have any issue. Otherwise if we don't have that trusted certification, then we always get the error of the certification, or was considered as a non-trusted site. So at OWA we have to give a username, which is administrator in this case, and the password of administrator. I have to give the Outlook web app, and through Outlook web app we're going to configure the Exchange control panel, and it's a very great tool. We will find about that how diversified it is with all the options out there. You can see that mailboxes are there, public groups, external contact, administrator role, user roles. So you can see right now all the 14 mailboxes out there. You can able to check out, you can able to configure, you can whatever, as I say, details. When you click on any of the mailboxes details over there, and you can add the initials, last name, for example. If you require any updates needs to be done, for example, any client want you to, and any user, particular mailbox user want you to update, so you can update anything it requires to. So as of now, canceling from here. So this is what the admin's job is. An admin basically configure the entire Exchange server through web browser. They don't always sit on the main Exchange server system. Through client computers, they always have the computers of their own. So there are public groups, external contact, whatever you have in the system, it will start reflecting. And administrator roles including designated post, for example, it's the help desk, role groups, all are mentioned here in the user roles. And particularly, like, this is my distribution group, my distribution group membership, everything is there updated. Similarly, in the work manage, for example, myself, if for example I'm an administrator myself of the Exchange server, you can add a particularly like work phone or mobile phone of a personal. You can even check it out like myself, or you can check it out another user as well. So when you click on it on the pop-up, you have to always allow the pop-up. Yes, so all the time you have options. Now the mail, we are going to click on it, the information we are going to update here. And the reporting part, as we mentioned that in the mailboxes we can check it out, the reporting, like in the message logs, which are the mails actually we are sending and receiving. So you can click on it, you can find it out the search mail settings. When you click on the user part, and when I click on it, this is what the mail part is. For example, like the way we send a mail, we receive. So this is what the OWA in a normal cases. We can click on it, new, like we able to log in through it, and according to what mails you have, what mails the mailbox user has sent, you can find it on the specific mails on it. You can click on the particular user, and for example, to audit that what your employees are doing, and you click on the individual mails, so you can search out the subject line, and you can search out which are the user particularly are sending mails together, and you can check out those mails. So through message logs, like we have mentioned, their reporting functionality, which can able to check the specific message and message log on, and through whether the message has been delivered, whether the message actually has failed. So from the message log, this is what the message log is, and you can find out the reporting of whether the message actually has delivered, actually has submitted and failed. So we will learn something about accessing the Exchange control panel through client. Thanks for